Hey everyone, this is Miss Burgess. Today we are doing the second set of notes for the circles unit. You need to have completed and submitted a picture of your parts of a circle notes before completing this one, mainly because there's vocabulary you need to know before starting this. Okay? So before we start, make sure that you have the notes outline either printed or copied down on a piece of paper, and make sure that you also have a pencil and a calculator. So the notes outline is available for you on Focus. You just need to download the attachment from the assignment. Okay, ready? Let's start. So how do I find central angles and arc measures of a circle? Well, a central angle is an angle with its vertex at the center of the circle, and the two sides are radii. And I am pronouncing radii correctly. The lady on the previous video was incorrect. And if you don't believe me, look it up on Google. Okay, so for example, angle ABC is a central angle in circle B to the left. The sum of all central angles on a circle is 360 degrees. And the measure of an arc formed by the endpoints of a central angle is equal to the degree of the central angle. So here we have an 84-degree central angle, and they're asking for arc AC. Well, if it's a central angle, arc AC is equal to the central angle. So AC is 84 degrees. And then they say, what is major arc ADC? Well, we know a major arc is greater than 180. ADC goes counterclockwise from A through D to C. So we're going to subtract 84 from 360 to find the degree measure of the major arc. And 360 minus 84 is 276 degrees. So far, so good? Let's practice finding each angle or arc measure. So first, they're asking for central angle UXV. That is this one here. Okay. Well, they give us 72 is arc SW. So central angle SXW is also 72 because they're the same. Now, these two central angles are vertical, so angle UXV is 72 degrees. Okay, arc ST. So we can figure this out. If you guys see this straight line, the diameter from U to W is 180 degrees. It's half the circle. So if we know that SW is 72 and UT is 87, we could add that 72 plus 87 and subtract it from 180 to find the missing part. So ST is 21 degrees. Okay, let's find WV. WV is vertical to US. Do you see it? So if we were to add 87 and 21, we would be able to find WV. This is 108 degrees. Okay, now we're going to find arc TW. TW is simply 21 plus 72. (93 degrees). And finally, major arc TVW. So we are going around clockwise, it looks like, from T through V to W. So 87 plus 72 plus 108 is 267 degrees. Okay, so at this time I'd like you to pause the video, work on question number 2 on your own, and this will be submitted to me as an assignment through notes. You can just take a picture of your notes, please. And go ahead and pause the video. All right, welcome back. We'll do question 3 together. Question 3, we're trying to find x. So it looks like we have 2 arcs of equal length because we have 2 central angles that are vertical to each other. So we know that this is 18x minus 2 and this is 15. So we'll combine that. 15 plus 18x minus 2 equals 103 degrees. And combining like terms here on the left side, that's 13 plus 18x equals 103. We'll subtract 13 on both sides, leaving us with 18x equals 90. And finally, divide by 18 to get x is 5. Okay, please pause the video again and work on number 4. Okay, let's do number 5 together. I'm going to use lots of different colors here. We have VQ is y plus 7. I have QR as x plus 11. RS is 3y. ST is 65. Find the values of x and y. All right. Well, let's start with y. I think that would be the easiest thing to do because we only have one part that has an x at all. So starting with y, we have a 180 degree semicircle. We have y plus 7 plus 90 plus 65 equals 180. Okay, let's combine like terms on the left here. 7 plus 90 plus 65 is 162. Subtract that from 180, and you get y equals 18. Okay, hopefully that's correct. If we are plugging it in to find x, 3y is 3 times 18, 54. So this right here is 54. And we know that x plus 11 plus 54 equals 90. So that's what I'll do here. X plus 11 plus 54 equals 90. That's x plus 65 equals 90. And x equals 25. Okay, so hopefully this lesson was pretty easy for you. You have a couple things to practice on IXL. After you finish these notes, please write your summary and take a picture, upload it to Focus so I know that you did them. And I hope you guys have a great first week of distant learning. Okay, Miss Burgess signing off. Bye, guys.